In this demo, we will show you how easy it is to record the previous test case we code in the UI object. Let's start by pressing the record button. The first action we want is to open the GxTest homepage. After that, we will check that GxTest page was actually opened. By checking that the page title is GxTest, we can do this by right-clicking on the web page, selecting the GxTest item, and choosing Assert Title. Finally, we just want to stop the recording by pressing the Stop Record button again. Please note that while you're playing some actions in the browser, GxTest Recorder will capture the most relevant ones and will add those in a test command. The next step is to replay these actions using the recorder, just to check if all commands are doing what we want. It is important to consider that GxTest Recorder is not intended to be used for running tests, but only for generating the basic layout of a test flow with different steps in GxTest. The next step is to copy the test code using the Copy to Clipboard button. Once you paste the code into the GxTest Web UI test object, you can modify it as you want, adding more commands, modifying test data, including 4 statements to get different iterations, and coding what important steps checks for your test scenario. This means that if you're not a GxTest developer, you will need to work with a developer to co-design the test. In this case, we will be just adding a simple pause of 5 seconds and running the test from the ID